we go.
Skirt steak, pinwheels, people with chimichurri. Let's get involved. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Hey guys, welcome to Barbecue Jams. We've got a great show for you guys tonight. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we are cooking up a beautiful skirt steak. It's gonna be a beautiful pinwheel we're gonna turn it into with some Swiss cheese and some prosciutto. We're gonna be putting it on the Weber Kettle, along with some beautiful chimichurri sauce we're gonna be making. So tonight we've got some killer guys coming on the roster tonight. So we've got Cary Jordan on bass. We also have Arthur Zaragoza on guitar, and we have Kevin Sklar, a newcomer, that's going to be playing guitar as well, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! Okay guys, let's get into the skirt steak. So what we're doing is I've kind of shaped it up a little bit, got rid of a little bit of this excess fat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this parchment paper, actually this is wax paper, and I'm going to pound this a little bit more flat than it already is, and then I'm gonna salt and pepper it up. I'm gonna put some prosciutto and some Swiss cheese, so here we go. All right, just like that, beautiful. All right, next, we're gonna have Cary Jordan come in, give me a little salt and pepper. Salt. Come on, man, come on in. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate you, buddy. We're gonna go in with some Swiss cheese. Now we're going on with some prosciutto, so here we go. By the way, guys, if you guys are enjoying this channel, please like and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. Everything about it is going to be beneficial for us in all sorts of ways. So we really appreciate it, guys. Anyway, let's go ahead and go in for a roll here. Now we're gonna roll this up into a roll, and then we're going to tie it up with some butcher's twine. So we're gonna do a surgeon's knot on this. So we're gonna pull this out, cut a nice length off. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I'm gonna loop this twice. Once, twice, and that will hold, and then I'm coming back in with one more knot on top to secure, just like that. Coming out with one more piece of butcher's twine. Right here. You okay?
I'm good, man. You keep doing your thing.
1, 2, cinch that up. One more on top. Boom, just like that. Now we're gonna take off our excess twine. And we're gonna cut it right down the middle. Just like so. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do a little salt and pepper on this, and we're getting ready to pop it on the grill. All right, come on, Cary, come on back in, buddy. Beautiful, thank you. You're welcome. My trusty assistant. All right, cool. All right, guys, we're looking beautiful. These guys are looking amazing. These pinwheels are gonna be going on the Weber Kettle here shortly, and we're gonna see what's going on. Hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a minute.
Yep.
All right, guys, hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're having a great time over here. By the way, we're getting ready to jump into this chimichurri sauce, so here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 cup of chopped parsley, preferably the flat parsley. Boom. Now we're gonna go in with some oregano. 4 cloves of garlic. You know what? We're gonna do a quarter. We're gonna do a quarter red onion.
That's a lot of onion in that bowl.
That is a lot. All right, I think that's plenty to start with anyway. We'll adjust accordingly.
You know I'm gonna be good with it, so.
Oh yeah. A little mix in, see how we're looking. Nice little bit of color in there with that onion. All right, so we're gonna go in with a 1/2 tablespoon of red pepper flake. Next, we go in with some pepper. Salt and pepper to taste, whatever you like. A little bit of salt. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. Go in with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. So next, we're gonna be going with some extra virgin olive oil. Sorry, I had a bug on me. You can play with the ingredients depending on if you want a little more heat, if you want a little more oil, if you want a little more parsley, you know, whatever floats your boat, really, guys. Just try it out. You want to let this marinate for about an hour in your refrigerator, kind of let those flavors combine. Woo, that looks great. Smells delicious. All right, guys, we're looking great. We're gonna put this away. We're getting ready to crank up that Weber kettle. So you guys hang tight, enjoy these jams, and please like and subscribe, people. Come on, it helps out. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna pull this guy out, pop it. Let's get our tumbleweed lit.
Yeah.
All right. Let's fill up our chimney here. We're gonna about 14-15 minutes for this thing to get cranked up. And then we're gonna be cooking. You guys hold tight. All right, let's get the coals on here. We're gonna dump them into our little trough here. Whoop, you okay? Sorry, trying not to burn the camera, man. Thanks, Jeff. All right. Perfect. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Pinwheel, here we go. All right, guys, we are up to temp. We're at 125. It's about when you want to pull them. So here we go. Oh man, these beauties are looking insane. All right, cool. Now it's time to go ahead and tear into them. Skirt steak, pinwheels, people with chimichurri. Let's get involved. Yeah. Woo! Let me get rid of the butcher's twine here. Definitely don't want to eat that. I feel like it's like a little meat pie thing here. Let's see what we look like inside. Is that about right? What do you think, guys?
You got the zoom?
Is that the jam or what?
Hold that up again.
All right. Hope you guys brought your appetites because we have a bunch of food here. All right, guys. All right, so we've got a newcomer tonight. We've got Kevin over here. Kevin Sklar, right?
That's right.
What's up, buddy? Come on in, brother.
What's up, kid?
How's it going, bro?
Doing good,
You excited?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, so he's gonna be, he's all pumped ready for some jams. Yeah.
Barbecue jams.
Woo!
All
Barbecue
right.
jams, baby.
Barbecue jams.
Hey, look, I got you a hat and a shirt coming too.
All right.
Courtesy of Derek Inner, by the way, with the merch company. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. And we also have Cary Jordan over here, and who else? We've got, who is this over here? We got Arthur Zaragoza.
In the house.
Zaragoza. Zaragoza. With an S. Zaragoza. But it's spelled with a Z. We'll say it with an S. Zaragoza. Get over here. Come on, guys.
This is only your like 7th episode and we're just finding
I
this
know.
out.
I'm terrible with names. That's my bad. Yeah, you guys come in.
Zaragoza.
And here, do you guys have napkins or anything?
No, we're good, bro.
You're all good? All right, sweet. Well, without further ado, people, I'm gonna go in with you guys.
Boys.
I'm gonna check this
go
out.
last.
Woo! Oh, grab a piece. Come on. I'm gonna make a mess.
Oh, did you just drop yours?
Oh, man. No.
Dude, you gotta grab the whole thing. Just get it. Look at this.
Look at
go.
that meat.
Yeah, baby.
All right, cheers.
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 Yeah, come on in, bro. Yeah, here we go. Oh, baby.
Oh, man.
Oh, dude. That is money. That is money. Wow. God. Woo.
That is some tasty meat.
I want to talk
man.
right now, but yeah, this is insane. That chimichurri sauce sets it off. Guys, please get involved with some of this. Man, this is insane. Excellent, excellent flavor. Oh, dude. Right on time. I hope you guys are hungry because we got a lot of food. Who's the way coming up? We got.
This is the band tonight.
Who's next?
Yeah, that's the band.
That's the band tonight, yeah.
That's the band.
Where's your manager? Come on.
That's right.
Hey, you want to come on in? He's looking around like, hey, are you talking to me? Come on, James Salt. Let's get involved, bro.
Come on, Mr. Wonderful.
All right, Mr. Wonderful.
Mr. Wonderful.
I didn't bring my shirt on. Couldn't find it.
Well, it's probably in laundry.
Price still dirty.
Oh, man.
Oh, God.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, just grab a piece, man. Just go for it.
This is silly.
Get the whole thing.
Honestly, it's perfect.
Oh, man.
It's got a good crust.
That's right on time.
Yeah, that's good chimichurri sauce. I've had a lot of chimichurri sauce. That's some really good chimichurri.
Dynamite, thank you very much. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't have to describe this.
There's a lot of flavors going on.
What is it? All these flavors. Oh my God, I've got so many flavors in here. The meat, but all this other stuff. It's wonderful.
Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, thank you so much, James Salzer, for always being here and, you know, being a part of the show, buddy. We love you. And we got, hey, Martine hasn't been over here in a minute. Come on, Martine. You gotta grab a piece, bro.
Martine heard chimichurri and he ran.
Baby.
Martine heard chimichurri and he ran over here.
This is the true test, by the way.
Yeah. We're gonna really.
Martine really knows
What is Martine?
what to look for. Yeah, exactly. Going in for the popper, baby. Yeah? Exquisite, right?
Amazing.
Speechless? Bro.
Wow.
Wow. What do you think? I know you are all about that skirt steak, buddy. I know that you are the skirt steak king.
Incredible.
You love
the beefy taste. It's flavorful, and the chimichurri.
Chimichurri just sets it right off, right?
Punching your jaw.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Okay, another one?
Dude, go for it. Come on. He clearly doesn't like this at all.
No.
Bro, now how do you like? You like the char on the outside and sort of the raw on the inside? It's not raw, but
no, it's not raw.
It's medium rare.
It's rare.
I'd say yeah, but it's like right on time.
That's how it's meant to be.
Yeah,
I think the charring is good.
Yeah, it gives you like that whole. It gives you the char. It gives you the nice bite from the way it was cooked from the internal temp. I think it's like right on time. And there's prosciutto and Swiss cheese in there too. What do you think? I mean, the flavors are just all there. All there, guys. Get involved with some of these Pinwheels, people. This is insane,
dude.
Thank you. Yeah, man. And get back to these jams, guys. We're gonna catch you back here in a little bit.
Hey,
wow.
Seconds?
Yeah, dude. Hey, look. Let me cut these all up for you guys real quick.
The cheese.
Kevin, dude, thanks so much for being here tonight, brother. God, I can't thank you guys enough for hanging out with Barbecue Jams and doing this whole thing. The cook turned out killer, guys. You gotta get involved. It's ridiculous. Oh, and by the way, bro, I gotta hook you up, man.
Oh,
gotta hook you up. It's official now.
Barbecue Jams hat. Oh my god.
Yeah, and the shirt.
Wow.
You got the whole combo. He's going in. He's going in.
There you go.
Oh, dude, that was great. What a great hat, dude. That's it right there, bro.
Wow.
Dude, thank you so much for being here. Here's your shirt. Sorry to smash it away. And you've been barbecue jammed, right?
Barbecue jam.
That's right, man. Y'all need to get involved with some of this skirt steak. It's ridiculous, guys. It worked out perfect. Chimichurri, the whole thing was awesome. These jams are killer. I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. Please like and subscribe as always. Thank you, Derek Enner with Merch Company. And we're going to catch you guys next time. All right, people.
Barbecue jams. Barbecue jam. Barbecue jam.